What's going on, guys? So last time I did this video, I showed you guys how to do the burnt exhaust style tip, and it's been about 3 weeks since I made that video, and this is the aftermath. You still see some bluish, but rust and corrosion is starting to form, and it's definitely not looking as well as I'd like it to. So like I said in the previous video, you guys are gonna have to polish these things up. So in this video, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this chrome polish rust remover, and we'll see what kind of results we can get. We're gonna do a third pass here. Nice generous amount this time. Alright guys, and as you can see, it is looking a lot better already, although I do feel like the polish is removing some of that color from that exhaust, the blue and yellow burnt style tip color. So overall, guys, it is what it is. You can still see it though, and we got the clean look that I originally had. So that's just a few week update about the burnt tip. Help you guys decide whether this is the right way to go about it, or if you guys want to do something else. Thank you for watching.